Hey guys, back for another video. Today I'm playing Mining Simulator. I'm about to get a rebirth, and as you see I have this much coins right now. I have, wait, this is a billion. Yeah, I got a billion coins. I'm not gonna buy anything, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go on rebirth. This is like nothing for me, like you would not believe it. I'm gonna just grab more. I'm gonna grab these gems to steal it from everyone else. And today's shout out I'm gonna give out to someone, so let me ask for who wants a shout out. Okay, today's shout out goes to Dr. Okev, and he's right here with this awesome Inferno Dragon. I just got a mythic egg. I already have the Oof Dogo. Oh, they gave me the 8 left Oof. It literally sucks when you think about it. It only increases your ore value by 1.50, but the thing is, ore value actually matters more than speed. Because if you have more ore value, then that means that you could get more money, but it just be slower. And if you have like Golden Unicorn here, like it's really good. But literally I have no idea how Beach Boy beats it. And yes, I'm naming everything Naruto and Sasuke because I'm a huge fan of anime. And I named this one Sasuke because it's like dark and it's evil. And this one, my best one, is the Oof Dogo. The one I was already wearing. I'm telling him I gave him a shout out. I gave you a shout out. Wait, why did I put shout out? Oh, and if you guys don't know how to put emojis, all you do, like for example, XD is one of an emoji. In the chat, this comes up. This XD stands for really laughing. Like it's only for like Mining Sim, but like I know it's not only for Mining Sim, but like I haven't seen it in other games besides Mining Sim. So like I don't get that. Like that's what I'm saying. Mining Sim's like one of the best simulators in my opinion. I'm gonna do. In real life, I am better than you. I am. Did he actually leave? Let me see. Did he? Yo, he left. Look at this dude. He's dumb. Like, if you guys are watching this video, give a like for this guy to like go die in a hole. Like, how is he better than me? Like, if he's better than me at Mining Sim, it's not like I'm so addicted to video games. I'm not gonna be doing that. Like, chill. You can ruin yourself, but still, I don't care. Like, you're not better than me in real life. I'm sure. And damn it, I can't glitch through. Let me go, and in my inventory, I'll be subscribe and turn on post notifications. I'll friend you, and then yeah, I'll give you some free crates. I have like a bunch of crates. I can literally buy more. I have like 2,000. I literally have 2,000 common at crates. Like here. Wait. Here, let me give up like 2 more shoutouts. 2 more. This sucks. Roblox stuff come in tags. Like, bruh. That sucks. Okay, one shout out goes to J High 196. Shout out to you, man. And let's see, looks like no one else wants a shout out. So I guess he gets the shout out. Enjoy the shout out, and so that other guy. Enjoy the shout out. So now I'm gonna go here. Well, I already rebirth. Why can't you climb the fence? It sucks. What the heck? I'm gonna go to the shop. I would literally never be able to buy this thing. It's so hard to get candy corn. Look, this is what I was gonna go for, but I want to go for the golden pumpkin. and I scammed someone because the golden pumpkin's actually an epic. It's not a mythical, but it shows up as a mythical because it's a glitch. 850 candy corn. Like, this is OP. This thing literally will give you power. This thing is legit. It costs 125,000 candy corn, but mine speed by 3.25, better than Oof, 8 like the Oof, or value 2.8, and money probably 1,500. No, they just don't. That thing is nasty. This is nasty. This is what I'll also never be able to buy. No, I think I could buy this actually. I'm never gonna be buying the teleporter until I actually start getting Robux. But wait, didn't I even show you guys the codes? I forgot, but I'm gonna show you this. One of the codes, I believe, is pumpkin. Alright. See? It works. This is a Halloween code. Wait guys, be right back. My friend's at the door. Just wait here. Yo, Abba. Ayan. Wait there. I'm making a YouTube video. I'll come out later. Alright? Not now. Is David even outside? Huh? मैं तो तेरी जोर बाहर तो okay, don't even मैं तो रंग तो बनाया आज मैं तो अंदर वाला okay, I'll come out later, right? I'll come out in 10 minutes. So go to the park. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. My friend just started asking me if I can come outside. I will come in 10 minutes after I'm done making this video. I think, wait, did I put Halloween? Yeah, I put Halloween. I think that's all the codes for Halloween. Wait, let me think. And I want to tell you guys something. This is so weird. I guessed 2 codes. They were Halloween and pumpkin. I literally guessed them, and I have no idea how I guessed it. It's so weird. And if you go to Rumble Studios for Twitch, wait, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to wrap the video up in 2 more minutes because that's all I have. Then I'll make another video later. Oh my god, wait, my mom's just bad minutes. To get it to bad minutes. Okay, let's finish the video quick. So I think another code, like if you go to Twitch right here, Rumble Studios, if they're filming live, you could get all these Twitch stuff. Like Twitch pet, Twitch hats, and Twitch. They even show off with Twitch aura, and there's also the Twitch skins and Twitch trail. Those things are cool, but they're doo-doo. Like they do barely anything. So like I recommend, do not waste all your time for those Twitch codes, cause they barely give you anything. I watched the video on it. The Twitch wings only give you like 1 point something, and they're mythic. It's so not worth it. And plus, you could get an even better mythical out of some crate. Like I got the essence wings out of a crate. This Omega hat crate. I got this right here. Essence wings. I also got another pair of golden wings, but I traded it for Frosttail. Frosttail also sucks. Like. It looks cool, but no. 650 just needs to go die. I love this skeletal wings. Look at the beauty. Crimson Dominus is also really good. So I recommend you could like go for those. I got basically a lot of stuff for free, so that sounds really good. Shout out to those people who gave me everything for free. And I'm gonna wrap it up here. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye.